Hello everyone. So we are going to play one activity in our WhatsApp group today. So in this video I am going to give you instructions that how that activity will be played. So I will be sharing a link with you all. You all need to click on that link and open it to play it. Okay. So once you click on that link you will reach to this page in Google your browser. Okay. And after that you have to click on this green option which is coming here. If we click here you will have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see on the top it says that continue in just in seconds. After this we'll click on continue to the game, and here we will be getting multiple options. There are four categories: easy, medium, hard and maniac. So we'll go for medium. Okay, somewhere like we will not go for easy, not for hard or very difficult, simply with medium. And then I have options of choosing the category. You can see there are multiple categories and I think we can go with careers one. Okay, and then there are two more options which is all about whether you want a timer in your game or you want to search the words from your side. So right now we'll not go with these options will be off, and I will click on play. So let's search any one career. For example, I can see banker here. Banker is written here as well, plus here as well. And that's how if I drag my finger right, left, wherever the answer is, it will be done in this way. I can go for one more for an waiter. So waiter is here. Then it is also done. That's how you have to find all the careers in this list, and then you have to finish them. Once you find all, then you have to take the screenshot and sending that screenshot in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's what you have to follow. The person who sends the screenshot first will be the winner. Okay, all the best everyone.